Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best hydrating face is probably one of the most essential components of any skincare routine, especially for those battling dryness, dullness, or the early signs of aging. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of facial hydration, exploring the science behind moisturizers, serums, and masks that promise to quench your skin's thirst and leave it looking plump, dewy, and revitalized. We'll be breaking down the key ingredients to look for, understanding different skin types, and uncovering the top-rated products that deliver real, visible results, ensuring you achieve that coveted healthy glow. Number 5. CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser 16 ounces. Discover the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser, specially formulated for normal to dry skin. It effectively cleanses without stripping your skin's natural moisture barrier. This formula is enriched with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and glycerin. These ingredients work together to hydrate and help restore your skin's protective barrier. Experience a moisturizing cleanse that leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. It's the perfect first step in your skincare routine for dry skin. Our cleanser is gentle enough for daily use and is National Eczema Association certified. It's ideal for those with dry or eczema-prone skin. Enjoy lasting hydration with this 16-ounce bottle. It provides ample supply for consistent use, ensuring your skin stays comfortable and moisturized. What we like. This cleanser is a fantastic choice for those with dry or sensitive skin. It effectively removes impurities without stripping the skin's natural moisture barrier. If you're looking for a daily cleanser that leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated, this is the one for you. What people say. This product is amazing and it works wonders for my skin. I love how hydrating this product is. It leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. The packaging is also very nice and it looks great on my vanity. Number 4. COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Repairing Serum. Discover the power of our advanced repairing serum. It's formulated with a high concentration of snail secretion filtrate to deeply hydrate and revitalize your complexion. Experience unparalleled moisture with this potent formula. It effectively combats dullness and diminishes the appearance of fine lines, leaving your skin plump and smooth. Harnessing the natural benefits of snail secretion filtrate, this serum works to repair and rejuvenate. It's the key to achieving a healthier, more youthful glow. Tired of dull, lackluster skin? This Korean skincare essential is designed to bring back your skin's natural luminosity. It targets uneven tone and texture for a visibly brighter appearance. See a noticeable reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Our serum's nourishing ingredients work to restore elasticity and firmness, revealing a smoother, more refined look. Incorporate this lightweight serum into your daily routine for continuous skin improvement. Enjoy the benefits of K-beauty innovation for a radiant, healthy complexion. What we like. Experience the power of snail mucin with this potent serum. It's designed to deeply hydrate and help repair dull skin and fine lines. If you're seeking a K-beauty secret to achieve a more radiant and youthful complexion, this serum is an excellent addition to your routine. What people say. This product is very hydrating and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I love how lightweight this moisturizer is. It absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. The packaging is sleek and functional, making it easy to dispense the right amount of product. Number 3. GLAM Up Korean Facial Sheet Mask 12-pack. Discover the secret to a luminous complexion. Our Korean sheet masks are designed to deeply hydrate and revitalize your skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Achieve that coveted glass skin look with our advanced formula. These masks work to refine your skin's texture for a smooth, poreless appearance. Formulated with sensitive skin in mind, our masks provide gentle yet effective hydration. Soothe and nourish your skin without irritation. Combat dryness and replenish moisture with our intensely hydrating sheet masks. Experience lasting comfort and a healthy-looking glow. Looking for the perfect gift? This 12-pack is an ideal choice for Easter, stocking stuffers, or any occasion. Treat someone special to a spa-like experience at home. Elevate your skincare routine with these essential Korean beauty treatments. Enjoy a moment of self-care and reveal your most beautiful skin. What we like. Indulge in a spa-like experience with this hydrating sheet mask set. These masks are perfect for achieving that coveted glass skin look, especially for sensitive and dry skin types. If you're looking for an easy way to give your skin an intense moisture boost and a healthy glow, this pack is ideal. What people say. This product is amazing and I am so happy with it. I love this product so much, it is the best I have ever used. This product is a lifesaver, I don't know what I would do without it. Number 2. Skin 1004 Zombie Pack. Introducing the Skin 1004 Zombie Pack, a revolutionary skincare solution designed to deeply hydrate and revitalize your complexion. Experience a transformation like never before. Each pack delivers intense moisture, plumping your skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines. You'll notice a smoother, more supple texture after just one use. This powerful formula works to refresh and renew your skin, leaving it looking and feeling more youthful. It's the perfect addition to your weekly skincare ritual. With 8 individual packs included, achieving radiant skin is easier than ever. Enjoy the convenience of at-home spa treatments that deliver professional results. Discover the secret to a glowing, healthy complexion with the Skin 1004 Zombie Pack. Your skin will thank you for this invigorating boost of hydration and nourishment. What we like. This unique pack offers an intensive hydrating treatment for your skin. It's designed to deliver a powerful dose of moisture, leaving your complexion plump and revitalized. If you need a quick and effective way to combat dryness and achieve a dewy finish, consider this option. What people say. This product is amazing, it leaves my skin feeling so soft and hydrated. I love how lightweight this moisturizer is. It absorbs quickly and doesn't feel greasy at all. My fine lines have visibly reduced since using this product. My skin looks plumper and more youthful. Number 1. Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream. Discover the power of intense hydration with our revolutionary cloud cream. It quenches thirsty skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Infused with a potent blend of hyaluronic acid, this moisturizer draws moisture to the skin. It helps to plump and smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Enjoy a luxurious, cloud-like texture that melts into your skin without any heaviness. It provides lasting comfort and hydration all day long. Formulated to be gentle yet effective, it's perfect for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Experience a healthier-looking complexion. Our innovative refillable design allows you to replenish your favorite moisturizer easily. It's a more sustainable choice for your skincare routine. Enjoy the benefits of deep hydration without any added fragrance. This formula is designed to be pure and gentle on your skin. What we like. Discover ultimate hydration with this lightweight yet intensely moisturizing cream. Its hyaluronic acid formula quenches thirsty skin, making it suitable for all skin types. If you desire a smooth, line-smoothing moisturizer that feels like a cloud and is fragrance-free, this is a perfect fit. What people say. This product is very hydrating and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I love how lightweight this formula is, it absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. The pump dispenser is convenient and dispenses the perfect amount of product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.